AP Statistics, Quideo 3, Chapters 5 through 8, AP. Nice big long problem. When a tractor pulls a plow through an agricultural field, the energy needed to pull that plow is called the draft. The draft is affected by environmental conditions such as soil type, terrain, and moisture. A study was conducted to determine whether a newly developed hitch would be able to reduce draft compared to the standard hitch. A hitch is used to connect the plow to the tractor. 2 large plots of land were used in this study. It was randomly determined which plot was to be plowed using the standard hitch. As the tractor plowed that plot, a measurement device on the tractor automatically recorded the draft at 25 selected points in the plot. After the plot was plowed, the hitch was changed from the standard one to the new one, a process that takes a substantial amount of time. The second plot was plowed using the new hitch. 25 measurements of draft are also recorded at randomly selected points in this plot. A. What was the response variable in this study? The response variable was the amount of draft. Identify the treatments. That would be the standard hitch and the new hitch. And what were the experimental units? The experimental units were the 2 plots of land that were plowed. Part B. Given that the goal of the study is to determine whether a newly developed hitch reduces draft compared to the standard hitch, was randomization used properly in this study? Justify your answer. Yes, the 2 hitches were randomly given to the different plots. For Part C, given that the goal of the study is to determine whether a newly developed hitch reduces draft compared to the standard hitch, was replication used properly in the study? Justify your answer. No, because each hitch was only given to 1 plot. In replication, they would have had been assigned to multiple plots to find a different pattern. Part D. Plot of land is a confounding variable in this experiment. Explain why. Each hitch was only used in 1 plot, so even though the measurements were taken at random spots, the measurements taken can't show if the draft was due to the hitch or the plot.